Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. Five trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? One tree, two trees, three trees, four. Just enough room for one tree more. Five green trees make one big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk! Ba-ba, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Mama, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. One tree left and a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck! Wow! Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. The end.